Hello, hi, this is Sai Manish. My MIT ID is MIT191616, and I'm here to present my MN623 Assignment 1B presentation along with my video. So, first, let me show you my presentation for that. Thank you. So, here is my presentation for that evaluation of the penetration testing tools. And in the first in the slide, I have addressed the feedback that has been given for me in the assignment one party. So I have been asked to put the screenshot of the things that have been done using the Kali Linux, the different security tools which I have tested. So I have put that screenshots now in this presentation. So I have overcome all those things that mainly the grammar mistakes that I have done in the earlier presentation, and also I didn't put the screenshots of the security tool, so they have asked me to put that in that too. So I have chosen nmap tool, Wireshark, Metasploit as my security tools, the security scanners. So first, let me present you the nmap tool. Nmap means network map access. It's a free open source tool for port scanning and network identification. So basically, like nmap scans the different types of ports which are available in that particular. So it show you all the open ports, and if you ping them up, so if you ping that particular IP address, it shows whether that particular port is up or down. So basically, it shows which the open ports are particularly open ports up and down. So the main expectations of this application is open, and it is chosen for software for service. Like it is an open software, like it is present in the Kali Linux inbuilt. So let me share you. I'll show you practically by implementing the nmap. So this is how the nmap opens on. So for nmap, let nmap slash capital PN. Let me ping my IP address 192.168.10.1. So it shows like it is starting the nmap, and it shows whether my particular port like 192.168.101.1. So if that particular port is up or down, it shows by using this nmap slash pn and a particular IP port that I've mentioned over there. It's my IP address. So it shows me whether that particular port is up or down. So it takes some time. It takes up some time for that. So it basically shows like whether if that particular nmap port is up or down. It shows like the host is up or the host is down. So until then, let me go to another thing in presentation now. So if you come next, it's a Metasploit. It is a safety device that can be produced easily. This is available free on the site, and it can be included in both the versions. In particular, reverse engineering Metasploit by using a pseudo particular code. This particular Metasploit starts, and then if you use MSF console, it shows a particular image of your particular IP address. So it's basically like it scans the different types of open ports, and you can easily connect to that particular host, and you can easily crack their router IP address and their router password of that particular Metasploit. So let me share you by and show you practically about this. So to start Metasploit, it's so it's just the password. Starting database. So like sudo space I, skipping installation, so MSF console. So it starts the Metasploit framework console, and after a particular time, it shows me whether. So now the Metasploit framework has been started. So this shows me the image of the particular IP address of that stack, and that's how it works for the Metasploit. Now let me go to the presentation again. So here I've put the screenshots of that particular tool of the Metasploit. And now coming to Wireshark. Wireshark, it is used to trace the packets that have been sent from the source to destination. So for example, if I ping from my particular IP address to any IP address like google.com or mit.edu.au, so it particular when I send the request to that, so my packets have been sent from me, like ping request has been sent from my IP address to that particular IP address. So when during this process, many packets have been transferred from my IP address to that IP address. So to trace each and every particular packet, the Wireshark is very useful in that particular context. So let me show you about how this Wireshark works using Kali Linux. So Wireshark is also available in Kali Linux. So it's asks for the password. So here it shows me like Ethernet so because my laptop is particularly connected to the Ethernet. So when I click it, open it, it takes place. So let me ping one of any.com, like let me ping mit.edu.au, mit.edu.au. So the ping request has been done. So now if we go back to here, so here you can check in the ICMP, like Internet Control Message Protocol, the ping request has been sent to mit.edu.au. So this particular is my IP address. 192.168.0.12 is my particular laptop's IP address, and then 123.243.161.130 is mit.edu.au's IP address. So the ping request has been sent here. So if you click there, these are the packets, different types of packets that have been used to send the ping request from my particular IP address to that particular IP address of the mit.edu.au. So these are how we use the Wireshark for the tracing of each and every packet over there. So coming to Wireshark, and I've put different types of screenshots that have been used, which what I've shown you now. So another type of framework I've used is Nikto. The framework, the Nitco is very vulnerable using the libscat2 container. So this can be very easy to use and can also support the cross-platform and the SSK. So this method can also be used to monitor the authentication of the host. So if you want to monitor a particular host, this method can be easily used for that. So I have put the screenshot of that Nitco too. So these are my references over there. And thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my assignment here. Thank you.